Hey guys, it's Sophie from Currys, and today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and 3 reasons why it's a fantastic all-round tablet. You can get creative with the S Pen, stay connected with colleagues, friends and family, and experience games in incredible detail. I'm off to the test lab now. I'm going to get my hands on this tablet. This could be mistaken for a laptop. It's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and it is the perfect space to be creative. I'm going to paint these flowers. It's got a 14.6-inch screen, which is the biggest out of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S range. It also comes with the S Pen. It's got low latency, which means it's super responsive and feels very natural as well, which is perfect for making notes because it really does feel like you're writing, but also brilliant for more detailed stuff like me painting my flowers. What I'm using now is Clip Studio Paint, and it comes pre-installed on the tablet. It's a really powerful paint app just ready to go. With the tablet, the pen and the app, I've been able to create this. I think it's pretty good. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 takes video calls to a whole new level. Not only has it got the dual front camera and it shoots in 4K, it also has auto framing. So if I'm on a call with my friend Luke and Chloe on camera wants to jump into the call, it will automatically frame us both in. Now, if Chloe leaves and I'm back in the call, it will frame back on me, which is amazing. It makes it feel so natural, like you're actually in the room when you're on the video call. This tablet gives you the space to play. It's an AMOLED display, so you've got those vibrant colors and really deep blacks. It's also great for gaming. So it's got 120 Hz refresh rate, and the AKG quad speakers mean that your entertainment is going to sound beautiful all the time. If you want to know more info on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series, you can visit us in store, head online, you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.